To make the crème patisserie, eggs, sugar, and vanilla are whisked together. Cornstarch is then added. Milk is heated and then slowly drizzled into the egg and sugar mixture. It's then returned to the heat and thickened. Lime zest is added to the cream and this is chilled overnight. To make the choux pastry, butter is melted in water. Flour is added and this is quickly stirred together to form a dough. Once it's cooled a bit, eggs are added. This mixture is added to a piping bag and it's piped, and that is baked in a hot oven till the profiteroles puff up. The bottoms are pierced and the cream fitted in another piping bag is piped through. Finally, this is dipped in melted chocolate. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making classic profiteroles. Now this has been on my bucket list for a very long time. I finally practiced it and perfected it, and once you do too, you're going to love to serve these to your family and friends because they're super impressive and very customizable. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. To make the crème patisserie, add 1 whole egg to 3 egg yolks. Add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Heat up 1 cup of milk together with 1 cup of cream. Allow this to cool a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to add a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to the egg mixture and continue whisking. Slowly drizzle in the milk and keep whisking. Once all of the milk has been incorporated, pour the milk back into the saucepan and stir this over a low heat so the cream can thicken. This is totally optional, but this is a great tip courtesy of my cousin. Grate in some lime zest. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to keep it glossy. I like to make this ahead so this has enough time to cool. Just pour this into Tupperware and add a sheet of cling film on the surface. This will prevent a skin from forming. To make the choux pastry, I'm going to heat up 1 cup of water. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar as well as a pinch of salt. Add half a cup of butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add 1 cup of pre-sifted flour. I'm using cake and pastry flour, but you can also use regular all-purpose flour. Make sure to add this in all at the same time and stir vigorously. Make sure to cook the dough for at least a minute. Once it has come together, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit. Next, I'm going to beat 4 eggs and I'm going to add this to the dough a little bit at a time to create a batter. I'm going to add my batter to a piping bag fitted with a large tip. A 1/2 inch round tip should be good. I'm going to pipe a mound and pull up. Usually there's always pointy tops, but you can smooth this down with wet fingers. These need to be baked in a very hot oven. I've already preheated my oven to 450 degrees and I'm going to add these in. Allow this to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes without opening the oven. If you think the pastries are getting too brown at the back of the oven, flip the tray. When the pastries look nice and hard, poke them with a bamboo skewer. This will help the steam escape. Once done, allow these to cool down. When you're ready to fill the profiteroles, fill a piping bag with the crème patisserie. I'm using a 12-inch tip. Make a hole at the bottom of the profiterole with a sharp knife. Stick the tip in the hole and pipe the cream filling into the profiterole. As you pipe, you will see the pastry swell up as it fills. To finish these off, add hot cream to dark chocolate and allow this to melt till it's nice and smooth. Dip the profiteroles into the dark chocolate and allow this to cool and harden. For best results, consume these within 2 days. Profiteroles choux pastry cases can be made ahead and frozen as well. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe for classic profiteroles. Once you've practiced it and you know how to make these, you can customize them and turn them into so many delicious flavors. If you love my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know what other kinds of recipes you're looking to see. Also, if you love my videos, share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, stay healthy and happy eating. Bye.